Hello friends, hope you are all doing well. Before starting today, let me give you a few reasons why you should learn the way I tell you. The very first reason is all these words are high frequency words and most commonly used in our everyday English. They are the naturally occurring word combinations we use during this speech. Another reason is they are just working like a pre-built wall sections. You just put them together to build your house quickly. Third reason is it gives you power to express your thoughts, ideas, and emotions exactly the way you want to convey to your listener and to your audience. Therefore, it is going to help you greatly to learn these combinations to enhance your fluency. Let's start today. The first word is offense. Criminal offense, legal offense, financial offense, minor offense, major offense, and political offense. Another word is offer. Special offer, kind offer, reasonable offer, alternative offer, attractive offer, final offer, and acceptable offer. Next one is opinion. Common opinion, popular opinion, same opinion, firm opinion, different opinion, legal opinion, general opinion, professional opinion, public opinion, strong opinion, and independent opinion. Next one is opportunity. Ideal opportunity, available opportunity, wonderful opportunity, unique opportunity, rare opportunity, suitable opportunity, perfect opportunity, limited opportunity, golden opportunity, and great opportunity. Next one is option. Good option, possible option, real option, safe option, alternative option, easy option, and expensive option. Another one is order. Working order, a firm order, clear order, existing order, natural order, and social order. Next one, outcome. Likely outcome and positive outcome. Next one is pain. Constant pain, slight pain, considerable pain, emotional pain, growing pain, little pain, mild pain, physical pain, sudden pain, and severe pain. Another one is part. A crucial part, a difficult part, fundamental part, principal part, private part, vital part, best part, and active part. Next one is past. The immediate past, ancient past, the dark past, the distant past, and recent past. Another one is pattern. Complex pattern, familiar pattern, basic pattern, existing pattern, normal pattern, overall pattern, and traditional pattern. Next one is payment. Full payment, regular payment, annual payment, early payment, immediate payment, initial payment, and final payment. And the last one is penalty. Financial penalty, heavy penalty, late penalty, light penalty, severe penalty, and tough penalty. I am convinced and confident that you are learning and improving your fluency gradually. Please like and subscribe this channel. Do watch full and complete videos. Watch them in series to get the best out of it. See you soon. Do take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching.